Hello, I'm Ryan Smith. Today's podcast episode is Innovative Leaders Driving Technology Advancement in Industrial Manufacturing, written by Dr. Lee. Technology leaders in the manufacturing industry drives innovation by leveraging cutting-edge technologies and automation to streamline production processes and improve efficiency. Through strategic investment in technology, skills, research and development, they foster a culture of continuous improvement, enabling the creation of smarter, more sustainable products to grow the business. 1. Research and development for growth. Innovative leaders have to ensure a significant portion of the manufacturing company's budget is allocated to R&D and NPI. They shall dedicate a significant portion of the budget and human resources to such activities. For example, they might set aside 4 to 8% of annual revenues for R&D or developing new product activities related to rotating machinery such as pumps, compressors, fans, motors, and generators. This funding is used to explore new materials, improve manufacturing processes, and develop advanced product features upon the market needs. The company-owned innovation labs are created dedicated spaces, and teams focus solely on developing new technologies and solutions, normally generating new IP to lead the market. Establishing Agile Center of Excellence is common among large multinational organizations. It brings all senior engineers, technicians, and R&D engineers across multiple sites with common expertise to create dedicated units to oversee specific product, technology, or task as key business area for continuous improvement and transformation process. It will ensure that the organization stays at the forefront of technological advancements in product manufacturing. They will also establish collaborations with universities and research institutes. These partnerships provide access to novel research and a pool of talented researchers. For instance, a manufacturing company might partner with an engineering-focused university to conduct joint research on improving the energy efficiency of motors. The company benefits from the academic expertise, and the university researchers gain the insights of real-world problems in applying for scientific research opportunities and funding. Participating in industry consortia is another way of collaboration on common technology challenges, best practices and industry standards development to bring the benefit for the whole manufacturing community. 2. Fostering a culture of innovation. Innovative leaders encourage employees at all levels to contribute ideas. They create an environment where every worker feels empowered to suggest product improvements or new product concepts. Implementing reward systems that recognize and incentivize innovation. This could include financial bonuses, promotions, or public recognition for employees who come up with innovative ideas that lead to successful product improvements or new product launches. For example, an engineer who develops a novel cooling system for generators might receive a significant bonus and a company-wide award for both personal and business achievements. 3. Digital transformation and technology adoption. Innovative leaders drive the adoption of technologies such as the Internet of Things (IoT), artificial intelligence (AI), and big data analytics. In the context of rotating machinery, IoT sensors can be installed to collect real-time data on performance, temperature, vibration, etc. AI algorithms can then analyze this data to predict maintenance needs, optimize operation, and even improve product design. For example, by analyzing the data from compressor sensors, the company can identify patterns that lead to more efficient compressor operation and reduced energy consumption. In addition, by adopting new IoT technology, these leaders also emphasize the importance of documenting the legacy system in the process of modernization to facilitate knowledge sharing and future improvements. Introducing automation and robotics in the manufacturing process. It not only increases production efficiency but also enables more precise manufacturing, leading to higher quality products. For example, in the assembly of motors, robotic arms can be used to perform repetitive tasks such as winding coils with greater accuracy than human operators, reducing errors and improving product consistency. It also avoids the musculoskeletal injury for longer repetitive operation, particularly in the assembly line. 4. Customer-focused innovation. Actively seek customer feedback through surveys, focus groups, and direct communication with customers, rather than collect second-hand information from sales or marketing colleagues. For example, a company that manufactures fans might conduct regular customer surveys to understand their needs regarding noise levels, energy consumption, and airflow performance. The feedback is then used to drive product innovation, such as developing quieter fans with better airflow characteristics. Engaging with their counterparts from customer side is a key to understand the detailed technical requirements and feedback in technical depth. Some leaders engage in co-design initiatives with customers. For example, a pump manufacturer might work with a major industrial customer to develop a custom-designed pump that meets specific requirements such as high-pressure operation in a particular chemical process. This collaborative approach ensures that the final product not only meets but exceeds customer expectations. Focusing on customer needs ensures that innovations are relevant and valuable, enhancing customer satisfaction and loyalty. 5. Cross-function collaboration. Form cross-functional teams consisting of members from different departments such as engineering, marketing, production, and quality control. For example, when developing a new type of energy-efficient compressor, the team might include mechanical engineers, electrical engineers, marketing experts, and service engineers to understand customer needs and product positioning, production specialists to ensure manufacturability, and quality control personnel to ensure the final product meets high-quality standards. Facilitating knowledge sharing across these functions allows for a holistic approach to innovation. For example, marketing insights about customer preferences for quieter and more compact rotating machinery can be shared with the engineering team, which can then incorporate these requirements into the product design process. 6. Training and skill development. A skilled and diverse workforce is essential for driving innovation and staying competitive. Technical leaders shall prioritize educating themselves and their teams in new technology and skill wherever the business requires. They shall set clear strategy of continuous learning and skill development in the interest of growing business. The investment training programs or collaboration with consultants is necessary to fill expertise gaps. If you can't train your own employee to develop the skills for their job, your competitor will. Internally, the technical leaders, working with HR leaders, shall implement mentorship and coaching programs to foster a culture of continuous learning and innovation. There are a lot of know-how and experiences built up from the senior employee after long-term service within the business. Those knowledge should be passed on to the younger generation through mentorship program to ensure the sustainability of the manufacturing business. 7. Sustainability initiatives. The technical leaders shall focus on manufacturing sustainability, not only meets regulatory requirements but also appeals to environmentally conscious customers and investors. The manufacturing business turns the raw material into desirable products, tools, and equipment for better life. The technical leaders should advocate circular economy principles to minimize waste and maximize resource efficiency to make the business as responsible manufacturers. In the R&D and product design stage, they should guide to develop products that are energy efficient and environmentally friendly. When defining the manufacturing process, they will adopt sustainable, lean manufacturing practices to reduce environmental impact. Technical leaders in industrial manufacturing business drive innovation and technology advancement through a combination strategies of fostering a culture of innovation, R&D, and NPI investment, leveraging emerging technologies, focusing on customer needs, developing and acquiring talent, forming strategic partnerships, promoting sustainability, and committing to continuous improvement. These strategies executed by the technical leaders enable organizations to stay ahead in a competitive market, enhance operational efficiency, speed to market, and ensure long-term sustainability. Thanks for listening.